I distinctly remember the time I love heavy linears. The Gateron black, Milky top black bottoms were always on my list of favorite switches, and it became the switch I mainly use in the fancy Alice. Years went by, and the norm right now is under 50-gram switches, with people focusing more on lighter and lighter spring weights. The green fogs are different. Let's quickly check it out. Featuring a transparent PC top cover, PA66 bottom housing, and a POK stem, all coated in a dark green colorway, it's no different to Akko's other offerings. But what's different is that it's Akko's and Monsgeek's first foray in the heavy linear category. How heavy? Well, it has an actuation force of 60 grams and a bottom out force of 70 grams. A far cry from the recent HMX collabs, not to mention the norms and switches this 2025. It also has a snappy 22mm spring inside, and the switch comes pre-factory lubed out of the box. It has a cherry housing and does have a pipe-in bottom for better stability. And if I were to give this an analogy, this is like the modern take of the GAT Blacks, or maybe a hybrid of Akko's existing lineup switches with the weight of the MX Blacks. Other features include the inclusion of the diffuser for the perky RGB in boards, and it's also stated in the website that it's supposed to have a heavy and talky sound. That will be put to the test. Here it is, mounted on my Tofu 60B2 top mount with the only foam config being the case foam. Have a listen. I tended to avoid heavy linears for a long time, as it was fatiguing. But in retrying them, I felt the times I was using the MTBB on the Tom 680. It's certainly a muscle trainer, but I think I'll get the hang of it in a few weeks. If you're a heavy typer and hit mistypes due to light springs, then this is the perfect switch for you. It's fairly muted in sound as well, a perfect match for the office. And for only 24 USD for a pack of 90, I generally recommend this. How about you? What's your experience with heavy linears? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm Johan J. Bimeva, and I'll see you in the next video.